Welcome to the e-learning of the course Numerical Analysis. This is also known as numerical methods. A problem, particularly a mathematical problem, can be solved into three different methods. First, we apply the analytical method. If the method is not suitable or complicated for a particular problem, then we shall go to the series solution method. And if this method is also complicated for a particular problem, then we will go to the last method, that means to the numerical method. The entire course is divided into 9 chapters and 36 modules. This is a 4-credit course. To study this course, you have to learn or you have to know the basic ideas of calculus and algebra of undergraduate standard. At the end of each module, there is a self-assessment containing MCQ, true and false type questions, fill in the blanks and long answer type question. Hope you will learn and enjoy the course Numerical Analysis by these series of lectures.